In this video, we dive deep into Absalom Zungu's jaw-dropping testimony, a story that begins with a simple promise to take him to the nearest town to make a statement, but ends in an isolated house in an open field, far from safety and far from the truth. Zungu says Jininda, his own son, and 3 other officers controlled where he went, what he said, and even what was written. Was this a statement or a setup? Was he guided or kidnapped?
Now, before our adjournment, you were explaining your journey from Emelo, where you got picked up by Gininda in a company of all those other people, and you were seated with these other 2 people, and they were saying to you, you cannot now decide to renege from your undertaking that you would be called Kumalo and all those things. You still remember that?
Sigcine lapho ke ubusasitshela khona ngendlela ke nanihamba usemotweni uhlezi emuva uze washo ukuthi uhlezi phansi wayohlazwa nabanye ke ngasemuva bese bekutshela ukuthi manje wena usuyajika ke kwinto obuyikhulumile ngaphambilini. Uyakhumbula sigcine lapho?
I don't think the witnesses ever said that or use the word renege on what he was going to say. I think the evidence was that the people who are seated with the back told him that take what you have to wherever you want to take it. We will see where you will work. I don't think the word renege was used.
Thank you. Yes. Subsequent to them being insisting that you cannot turn around about things that you had agreed to, the last information was that if you don't take what they're telling you, you'll see where you're going to work. I was coming there.
Ekugcineni ke ushilo ke nawe kuma uthula ubufakazi ke ukuthi ke bashilo kuwena ke ukuthi ke manje ke uma ungosuka ithathi ke lokho abakutshela kona kuzobona ukuthi uzosebenza kuphi.
Yebo.
That's correct. Yes.
Let us proceed from there. We can proceed from there.
Singaqhubeka ke baba ukusuka lapho. Angithi sigcine khona lapho siqhubeke ke ukusuka lapho.
Shothi wenza ukuthi bahamba ke nami bahamba ngazi ukuthi babensaphi.
Now they then left with me. I didn't know as to where they were taking me to.
Yes.
Anje mapha bangifaka khona kulo ndawo bangifaka khona. Angiyazi oba ngizothiwa ngofanthathi statement kodwa kuthiwa kwangekhona e-police station.
They took me then to whichever place that they took me into, and I don't know because it was mention was made that a statement was taken, but it was not a police station.
Now, let us follow what you're saying. After this trip, you ultimately arrived at a particular place.
Uthi ke nanje kuma nanihamba ke kodwa ke egcineni nayofika endaweni ithizeni. Kunendawo enahamba nayofika kuyona. Yes. Sorry. Ngicela mawuphendula ungathi baba ngoba uyabona into ekhulumayo kufanele ithathwe kulo machine.
Sorry.
So uthini baba mawuphendula?
Sorry sokuphazamiseka nje bengiqonise ngiphazamiseki.
My apologies, I'm just disturbed now.
Thank you. And then, was that a house? Was that an open field with the place where the talk about the statement happened? Was it a house or what?
Kwakuyindawo enjani le okhuluma ngayo manje uthi kwakune statement ke kwathathwa kusona umuzi lona indawo nje evulekile kwakuyindawo enjani?
Angiyazi oba ngeke ngichaze indlu nje kuleke house.
I don't know because I won't be able to explain it, but it was just an open house.
Thank you. Then can you then step by step tell this court what happened upon your arrival at that particular location?
Senifikileke kuleyo ndawo leyo kwenzekani yini eyenzeka?
Ngachazelwa ukuthi kufuneka uzobhala phansi uGininda kufuneka ngithi.
I was then instructed or told that Gininda was now going to write, then I have to say this and this and that.
Now, who is saying to you, as Kininda would be writing down, you must say this and this and this and this.
Ubani wayesho kanjalo kuwena ukuthi uGininda uzobhala wena kufanele usho lokhu kwakusho bani?
Ilabo bhuti ababela engisuke nabo le.
It's the gentleman that I left with from there, or from back there.
Remember, there are a number of gentlemen. There are those two that you also seated with, that you said you were made to sit with at the back.
Uzokhumbula-ke ngokwendlela ositshele ngayo. Babe baningi-ke laba bhuti laba nanihamba. Ushilo ukuthi ukhona omunye enamisele emgwaqeni, ushilo ukuthi bakhona ababili ohlezi nabo, kwakunabanye abantu emotweni. So ibaphi?
Ngabeka ngithi laba Kininda, lona wayidrayiva, lo police constable Zungu.
Okay, I will say it's the driver, Kininda, the constable Zungu, yebo,
Bese kuba yimi,
myself,
bese kuba ngo bese babe bahlanu yimi oyisithupha.
there were 5 in total. I was the 6th person.
Yes. So when you arrived at that house, then they say to you, you must say those things that they said you must say, and Kininda will be writing, where is your son?
Ngalesikhathi angithi manje nifikeleke kulezi. Sebeyakutshela-ke manje ukuthi wena uzokhuluma uzosho lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. uGininda uzobhala phansi. Ngakho ngaso sonke leso sikhathi kwenzeka lokho indodana yakho yayikuphi?
Bamkhipha bengamfakile.
They took him out. He was not a part.
Now,
Wayisuka uGininda ayekuye awukhuluma naye.
Kininda
Besethu sakuye besiyabuya.
would go out and say he's going to him, go and speak to him, and then come back.
thank you.
Angaka phendula okwakwenza ukuthi lona adame elokhuzwa uGininda suka akhulume naye. Wayesakhuluma ngoba nangale ndaba yokuthi mina ngishintshe isibongo ngoba yena wayengasazi lesi sibongo ukuthi mase ngithi mina nguSuku.
What made him to speak to Kininda, or why he was still speaking to Kininda, it was because of the issue of the surname. Because I was still maintaining that I was Zungu. That is why he was then kept on speaking to Kininda.
Thank you. Now, we'll come to that very shortly. But now let us concentrate on what you are now being requested to do. Now, this police or this person or these people who are saying to you, you are going to say this and Kininda will be writing. Do you still remember what is it that they said to you that you should say as Kininda was writing?
Manje-ke, nanjengoba uthi-ke babethi kuwena-ke uzosho lokhu, usho lokhu, uGininda bese bhala phansi. Ingabe usakhumbula yini ukuthi kwakuyini le ababethi uzoyisho? Babethi uthini?
Babethi angisho laba ababoshiwe.
They said-
Laba njalo so babethi angisho laba laba ababoshiwe babengitshela amagama ukuthi ubani nobani mupho mazi baqala lapho.
They said that I must say the names of the arrested ones. They then mentioned the names. It's so and so. Which one do you know? That's where they started.
What specific names did they mention?
Iwaphi la magama abawasho?
Basho amagama abomuzi la.
The names of Muzi,
And
Yeah,
who else?
Na uNtanzi.
Ntanzi.
Thank you.
Basho bona
They mentioned them.
ukuthi ngiyabazi yini kanjani.
Ask me whether I know them and how do I know them.
Yes. And what else did they say you should say about them?
Yikuphi okunye abathi ukusho ngabo?
Babethi ngazini ngokuthi ubani ababulala uMeyiwa.
They asked me, what is it that I know about the killing of Meyiwa? Do I know the killers of Meyiwa?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ilokho ukuthi ngangasakhona ukuthi khona ngizokhuluma nabo okuningi ngoba ngangibona isimo babengiphethe ngaso.
And there wasn't much.
Akaze bangishaye bona sorry. Akaze bangishaye.
According to me, there wasn't much that I was going to say to them, just looking at the situation. But let me say this, that they never assaulted me.
Yes. And then you saying, they said to you, as they would be saying, you should say that Kininda would be writing. Was Kininda indeed writing?
Nanjengoba uthi ke basho ke ukuthi njengoba wena ukhuluma uGininda uzobhala, ingaba empeleni ke uGininda wayebhala phansi njengoba ukhuluma?
wayibhala
He was writing.
Thank you. Then you can proceed to tell this court what then transpired. As they were saying, you should say that in Kininda writing.
Ungaqhubeka ke la ugcine khona ke.
hayi kusho ukuthi wayibhala yena kwase kushaya lesi sikhathi ukuthi sebeyangidedela-ke kwasekuhanjwa
He was writing, and then the time came where they now allowed me or released me in order for me to leave.
waphuma futhi lo uconstable Zungu waphuma lapha babemfake khona
And then Constable Zungu came out of where they had placed him or put him.
wahanjwa
Then we left.
sengibuya abangifakanga la ngemuva ngabuya ngabo
On
lethe ekhaya lapho engihlala khona
on our way back, they didn't now place me at the back. I came back with them and they left me at home.
kodwa okungixakayo ngoba ngizokhuluma engangikuzwa kukhulunywa uGininda
But what confuses me, because I am going to say what I heard being said here by Gininda.
Yes.
ngamuzwa ngilalela kukhulunywa la ecaleni ethi uGininda wafika uconstable Zungu ehamba nami
I was listening or was following the proceedings. I heard Brigadier Gininda when he said that Constable Zungu arrived with me.
Yes.
Yebo.
usho njalo-ke bese ngibuya-ke mina ngizothi ngahamba ngani ukuya le ngabuya ngani
I then mentioned that with what mode of transport did I go there, and with which mode of transport did I go back?
Mr. Zungu, Mr. Zungu, we will come to that. I want us to go back to what was happening in that house before you left.
Ngicela ke sibuyele kuleya ndlu leyani ukuthi kwakwenzekani lapha yana ngaphambilini kokuthi nihambe ubuyise noma uhanjise usiwe ekhaya.
Now, you say as the process transpired, there indeed Gininda was writing something, not so?
Uyasho ke ukuthi nanjengoba wena wawukhuluma uGininda wayebhala phansi. Angithi? Yes.
Now, after this whole writing process happened, is there any request that was made to you that you should sign any documents?
Emuva kokuthi manje sekubhaliwe ke kwaqedwa ukuthi kubhaleke lokho kwakubhala. Ngaba sikhona yini isicelo eseza kuwena ukuthi siyacela ke manje sesiqedile ubhala sicela usayine la?
hayi kazange ngisayini
No, I didn't sign.
No, but let's take it step by step. Was that request made?
Asikuthathe ngokulandelelana lokho singakujahi. Ingabe basenza yini isicelo? Bacela yini ukuthi usayine?
le ncwadi
Babebhala ke. Angithi ukuthi wawukhuluma uGininda ebhala. La ayebhala khona uGininda wacelwa yini ukuthi sesiqedile ubhala manje sicela usayine la. Bacela yini?
washo ngisayini
It did ask me to sign.
Yes, and what was your response?
Wathini wena umuphendula?
azange ngivumele
I refused.
So when you refuse is, am I right to understand you to say that you left that house without signing any document there?
Ngizobe ngiqinisile ke manje mangithi ke seqediwe ke yonke into manje ngiqedile ukukhuluma qedile ubhala uma senihamba ke manje nahamba lapho kungekho lutho owayisayinda wena.
angeke futhi okunye ngikusayine
I wouldn't have signed anything. Yebo.
Why?
Ungani?
angikwazi ukuthiwa kuzothathwa istatement sithathwele emahlathini hhayi e-police station
It cannot be that it is said that a statement is being taken and then it's taken in the bushes and not at the police station.
If what Zungu is saying is true, This is more than misconduct. This borders on kidnapping, coercion, and fabricating evidence, all of which carry devastating consequences under the Criminal Procedure Act. But now the biggest questions remain. Did Janinda's team deliberately isolate Zungu to control his statement? Was he forced to repeat a story they created for him? Should those involved be criminally charged for kidnapping, intimidation, or defeating the ends of justice? And how many other statements were taken this way? South Africans deserve answers. The truth must come out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe Zungu? Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Skybridge. Until next time, goodbye.